There's a little update on my equipment I have. Just came back from testing. Did all that in one session. Making new ones. DC level 6 15s. I got 2 batteries back here and 1 over there. Two DC 9Ks, 6 batteries, XS powers, 42 volts. Dual battery up in the front, single mechman alternator, 200 amp on a single V pulley. Let's see. Ooh, my runs. All the way under the car. I don't know if you can see that crack in the back of the cab. It's flexing like an inch. Gotta get that fixed. Same thing. This amps. Hella trash. And that's it.